multitasking is a myth. Our brain cannot do two things at the same time. When I found this out, I was like, oh damn, it's actually reducing the gray matter inside my brain. So, what's the solution? It's prioritizing single tasking all the time. Picture this: you are sitting in a park, and a billionaire is walking right through that park with his two pet rabbits. Suddenly, the cage falls down, and the rabbits run here and there. Finding you an athletic young man, he asks you, if you catch one of these rabbits, I will give you $1 million. If you catch two of them, I'll give you $2 million. But the catch is you have to catch them in 5 minutes. You are excited. Oh, I'll earn $2 million today. You start running towards the left one. And as you run, you see the right one is more close. So you run after that. Now, when you are running after it, you see the left one is more close. So you switch directions again. And then doing this same activity of switching, you end up catching none and the 5 minutes get over. If you would have just focused on one rabbit and just ran after it, you would have gotten it in under a minute, right? But you did what most people do: focus on multiple things, switching from one task to another task. And that was the case with me also. Throughout this year, I was pursuing multiple things and constantly task switching, not able to focus completely in one thing. So I really regret catching two rabbits instead of just focusing on the one. And I want you to not make the same mistake. So after this video, you will take away the importance of single tasking and never multitask again. Let's jump right in. So our brain is not made for multitasking. Multitasking is a myth. Our brain cannot do two things at the same time, right? It's actually doing task switching. It's working on one, then leaving that task, and then focusing on something new. This is a fool's strategy for working because this increases 40% errors and brings down the efficiency like crazy, right? And your mental energy gets drained very rapidly. Then your focus is destroyed. Each time you switch the task, your focus is fragmented, right? There was this Stanford research which confirmed that multitaskers struggle to filter information and your concentration muscle weakens over time. So you lose out your concentration, which is a very important skill in today's time because everyone's attention span is too short. If you can focus for longer periods of time, you are ahead of 80-90% of the people. But if you constantly switch tasks too often, you are weakening this muscle of focusing. And actually, it's harming your brain. When I found this out, I was like, oh, damn, it's actually reducing the gray matter inside my brain. And it is damaging even my emotional regulation centers. That's why I was irritated most of the times and not able to control my emotions. Whenever my mom calls me when I'm working, I get angry too quick. I say, Mom, why are you disturbing me so much? And actually, multitasking or trying to multitask was the reason why I was getting so like nagging and not able to control my emotions. So, potentially, long term cognitive consequences can happen if you multitask or try to multitask too much. So, what's the solution? It's prioritizing single tasking all the time. Whenever you are doing anything, just do that thing. It's pretty simple, but not very easy. So focus on one task at a time. This person, Chris Bailey, did an experiment where he found in two groups. One group was task switching and trying to accomplish multiple things in shortest amount of time, and there were one and there was this other team which was focusing on completing one task fully in one go and then another task fully in one go. The team which did single tasking had double the productivity of the one that who were like constantly task switching. So you need to take advantage of the flow state of the brain when you are completely engrossed in the activity you are doing, right? So we need to have a clear list of priorities that today, this week, this month, this year, I'm going to do these things and these things only. I'm not going to switch my attention from this to any other thing. This is my priority this time, and I am going to completely laser focus into that. So, you are young, you have a lot of energy, you are potentially like a sun. Sun can burn anything, but because it's so far, it can't even burn this paper because its energy is distributed, right? If you keep it under the sun, the paper, it will just get a little warm, maybe not even that also. But if you even take a small, singular magnifying glass, you just burn the paper up, right? So you need to focus your energy and put everything in just one thing, right? So you can do anything, but not everything. You have to prioritize and choose few things that you will completely focus in, right? So I have learned that fragmented attention gives fragmented results, and nobody values these fragmented results. Everyone wants concrete, great, big results, and that doesn't come if you just constantly task switch. So there are these algorithms in computer science called depth first search and breadth first search. So this way, in this context, we must use depth first search. Whatever you are pursuing, first go all in that pursuit. Utilize all your brain points to do that thing, to get good at that thing. Every resource of your body, your brain should go towards that one single thing. You should become a generalist, but you should stack skills up one at a time. You should not be learning multiple skills at the same time because we actually can't. Our brains can just do one thing at a time. If you constantly task switch, your efficiency will reduce drastically. So, you need to do depth first search instead of breadth first search. First, prioritize on going deep in one thing. You become decent at that thing and then move to the next thing. That is a solution. So, 2025 is your last chance because technology is accelerating distractions. Every week, there is some new tool, some new social media thingy, some new trend. They're all going to distract you and they are going to become more and more tempting. Your focus is constantly under attack. So if you do not develop this skill of single tasking and eliminating everything else, you are going to have a hard time doing so later in the years. Technology is going to get more and more addictive, and because of that, it is going to get harder to control our brains, to control ourselves if you do not learn it sooner. So I urge you to develop this skill of focus and develop the skill of single tasking. When you are doing one thing, just focus all your energy in that one thing and forget about everything else. Single tasking is the key.